Liquidity ratios. Liquidity reflects the ability of a firm to meet its short-term obligations by using assets that are most readily converted into cash without significant loss in value or the necessity of making significant price concessions. A firm's liquidity also refers to its ability to sell assets quickly in order to raise a cash. To understand more, we have to know what is net working capital. Net working capital is current asset minus current liabilities. It is the excess of current assets over current liabilities. There are several liquidity ratios, that is, current ratio, quick ratio or acid test ratio, cash ratio, cash flow ratio, net working capital ratio. Let us discuss each of this into detail. Current ratio. The current ratio is the most used measure of short-term liquidity, as it relates current assets to the claims of short-term creditors, whereas net working capital expresses this relationship as an amount of currency. The current ratio expresses the relationship as a ratio. As we discussed before, net working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. And how to calculate the current ratio? It is current assets divided by current liabilities. Quick ratio or acid test ratio. The quick ratio, also called the acid test ratio, is a more conservative version of current ratio. The quick ratio measures the firm's ability to pay its short-term debts using its most liquid asset. Please keep in mind the term most liquid assets. How to calculate quick ratio? It is cash and cash equivalents plus current marketable securities plus net accounts receivable divided by current liabilities. Did you notice that there is no inventory in the numerator? That means inventory is not a most liquid asset. So we removed the inventory from current assets to find the quick ratio. Cash ratio. The cash ratio is the ratio between cash and current liabilities. Cash equivalents and marketable securities classified as current assets are included in the numerator along with the cash for purpose of calculating the cash ratio. How to calculate the cash ratio? It is cash and cash equivalents plus marketable securities. This is only classified as current assets and divided by current liabilities. Please note, the accounts receivable is not included in the numerator because that is not a cash or cash equivalent. Cash flow ratio. The cash flow ratio combines the cash flow generated by operations with current liabilities and measures how many times greater the cash flow generated by operations is than current liabilities. To find out the cash flow ratio, we are dividing operating cash flow with period and current liabilities. Net working capital ratio. The net working capital ratio combines the net liquid assets, net working capital also called, to total capitalization, that is total assets. The net working capital ratio measures the firm's ability to meet its obligations and expand by maintaining sufficient working capital. The calculation of net working capital ratio is net working capital divided by total assets. Thank you.